Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a replica of the Cajun sauce that comes exclusive with the BTS meal at McDonald's. I really like this sauce, it's so tasty, and so was the chili sauce. And if you want to try out that chili sauce, an at-home version that you can make, go ahead and check that out on our channel. I have a video for that one too. That one is much easier to make than this one. This one has a lot more ingredients. But at the end, the sauce came out really great. It's really good, and it almost tastes just like the one that comes from the restaurant. And the sauce is exclusive, so it might go away, and you might not be able to get it anymore. But with this recipe, you'll be able to have it at home. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and I will put the measurements in the video. So on the ingredients, it says that there is some egg yolks, but we are just going to sub some mayonnaise for that. So I'm putting about half a cup of mayonnaise in here. Next up is half a cup of Dijon mustard. And when you first taste that Cajun sauce, it kind of hits you different because you think it might taste like a honey mustard sauce, and then the little spice kicks in, and that's where you say, oh, okay, now I know why I call it Cajun sauce. But at first it tastes like some honey mustard sauce. Now I'm putting 1 teaspoon of some distilled vinegar. Now I'm putting a 1/4 cup of honey. If you have molasses or any kind of honey, I'm pretty sure that works. This is dark honey. Next, it's time to use the dry ingredients. I'm going to give a few twists of this ground up sea salt. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now 1/4 teaspoon of some smoked paprika or regular paprika. 1 full teaspoon of some Old Bay seasoning. I love Old Bay. You could put it on so many things. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I have this spicy turmeric, but regular turmeric is fine. Now I'm just going to mix it up and see how it tastes and do a little adjustments. And now I'm going to add 1 full teaspoon of some cayenne pepper. Just to start off with. I might need to add more if it needs to get more spicy. And on the ingredient list, I see that they put sugar, so I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar, just with a regular serving spoon, and mix that in because it does have a sweet taste even though it is a little spicy. I added another 2 teaspoons of some mayo. This Cajun sauce is almost there. It needs another full teaspoon of some cayenne, and I think that will make it perfect. So I just tasted the sauce, and it tastes so close to the little packaged Cajun sauce. So next I'm just going to blend this out with this small little electric whisk for the little clumps of mayo that couldn't be mixed up by the spoon. This way it's really creamy consistency. I'm really happy with the way this sauce came out, so I'm going to go ahead and switch this over to a fancier bowl for dipping. So mine has a really similar taste, just the color is off. The one from BTS, it looks more like nacho cheese color. Here's my taste tester. He's really honest. He does love that Cajun sauce from McDonald's.
Yeah, that one tastes weird.
It tastes like honey mustard, even though it says Cajun.
It tasted way better last time. Okay.
Cause on something, right?
Yeah, I guess so. Oops. I actually like yours better.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, thanks, honey. I love you.
Okay, now I'm gonna try chicken nugget in both of the sauces. So we'll try the McDonald's one first. It's good, but I think my mom's will be better. Okay. My mom's sauce is better than the McDonald's sauce. So yeah, that's my review.